You may have noticed in some of her interviews, Meghan Markle will refer to being authentic, saying her and Harry met spontaneously. Basically, what she does is she says explicitly again and again the exact opposite of what is true. Check this out.
Um, I'm not going to say that it's comfortable.
That is Meghan's response to being asked why her and Harry are getting involved in all these documentaries and, quote, giving up their privacy. She stretches out like a cat stretching in the sun, literally basking. Literally basking. If you rewatch that, she's basking in it and says, I'm not going to say it's comfortable. You could not be further from what she says and what she does and what we know of her. Clearly, she likes attention. But that brings us to an indicator that we could look for in our lives as well. You'll see with Meghan, she constantly says things like she likes privacy, she values privacy, she values authenticity, she is not comfortable being as famous as she possibly can and dedicating her life to that. So it's when you see someone saying something over and over that does not need to be said, it is possible that the opposite is true. A recent example I had was I run a group for YouTube creators, and I have to make sure people are positive and supportive. And I had a woman in the group who was being nasty to people, just starting arguments for no reason, and I removed her. I keep it very strict in terms of being a positive, supportive person. Her friend, who, I guess he wanted her to like him or something, sent me like 10 messages saying, I'm not going to say you're lying, referencing the reasons that I'd removed her. But if you say, I'm not going to say you're lying 10 times, you're saying I'm lying. That's just a really obvious one. So keep that in mind. If someone keeps repeating a certain quality over and over in the negative or in the positive, saying they're having it, then perhaps the opposite is the case.